Heavy rain and strong winds will hit China's south over the next 3 days as Typhoon Koinu reaches the coast. Now, the powerful storm grazed Taiwan's southern tip yesterday, killing at least one person and leaving hundreds injured. Hong Kong has raised its second lowest storm alert. People have been told to stay away from the shoreline. The typhoon is forecast to make landfall in Guangdong tomorrow. The province has raised its response to a level 3 alert from level 1. Ferry services have been cancelled and several scenic spots have been closed. Ships have been urged to return to port. Over in Taiwan, cleanup efforts are underway after the storm left roads littered with fallen trees, overturned cars and caused severe damage to buildings. Koinu brought with it the strongest winds the island has ever recorded of around 300 kilometers per hour. Residents of a remote Taiwan island said that they survived on rainwater. That's after Koinu caused extensive damage to infrastructure, cutting off water and power supplies.
已经停电2天3天了，听说要停1个礼拜。我们现在也没有水可以洗澡，然后也快完全没水了，都要接靠雨水生活了。有的部落就是也很好，他们有电的部落可以借我们充电这样子，所以我们的手机还有讯号，然后还可以打电话。但是到晚上又没电了，然后大家都在找蜡烛。